y'all? It's Wilma Jones from Angelic Makeup Studio, and I am super excited to be talking to you all today and making this video. I'm even more excited because I'm in my own space. I have created a little corner inside of my room where I can meditate or pray or read or write, just have quiet me time. So I'm really excited that I finally set up this place, and I was wondering and thinking, what could I do to make this place special? Like more like me, and be creative with it. Like, of course, I love making vision boards and things like that, so I will probably have vision boards up around here soon. But what else? So I happened to be in a Dollar Tree, and a woman was buying beads. They were like rocks, and she bought at least like 9 or 10 like bags of them, and I was asking her like, what are you gonna use those for? And she happened to be excited to tell me that she had her own meditation spot that she had just made for her daughter in their home, and she had used it for herself, and now she's using it for her daughter to take the rocks, use crazy glue, and put it on the wall, and make a design. Hers, she said, was more like a waterfall, so it comes down like that. And I just thought that was the most amazing idea, because she said she prayed over them first, blessed them, did sort of like a ritual cleansing of the beads, adding all of your positivity, your love, your joy, all of that. And then by placing it on your wall in your area, it's like just bringing all of that love close by you in your own area. So I am so excited to make this wall. So let me go ahead and show you the ones that I got. Now, like I told you, she had the rock ones. Me, they're called accent gems. I have the red one. I have the green one. And I have the black one. No particular reason why I picked these colors. They didn't have the rock ones at the store I went to, so I just got the colors that they had. These ones. And they were only $1 for each bag. Then I also got the crazy glue right here. So then you just put a little glue on it and put it on the wall. That's how she did it. I'm going to try it and see how it works out for me. I can't wait to get back with you all. I'm sure you'll see it in the back of my videos soon, because I will be making more. I pray that you all had a beautiful, blessed day, as blessed as I did. I encourage you to start reading books, because I'm going to begin to do a lot of book reviews on here. I always read. Like, this little shelf right here is full of books. So I'm going to start telling you all a little bit about books that I enjoy reading, or books that I come across or I heard of, and letting you all know what I think of it. So I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for stopping by an Angelic Makeup Studio. Have a beautiful day. Always remember to follow your dreams. Mwah.